Good morning, we're here again. What we've got to do today is a 4-inch waste out the wall here. We've got to come along here, go down there and then take it into the manhole. Right, we're a little bit of messing about. We've managed to get the angles with the waste pipe, so all we've got to do now is P-shingle it up and literally backfill and put everything back together, all the decking. That's it. Yeah, we're going to put an air emittance valve on here, so we'll cut a piece of pipe anyway, George, in a minute. Put that on. That's it.